My name is Nishit Sharma. I am coming from Bangalore, India. I work in digital marketing and I also make travel films. I've got a YouTube channel where I upload my videos. I'm also trying to be pretty active on Instagram. So yeah, like that's mainly about my background. So I'm actually on a vacation, which is like work plus vacation, where I'm going to different places across Southeast Asia, and I'm also working because I've got a remote job, so I can actually work from anywhere. All I need is a good Wi-Fi, and yeah, I'm pretty good to go. So yeah, I was actually exploring a couple of places near India. So Bali has always been in my list for a very long time. So that just made me come here, and also like it has got really good landscapes, so I can film something really well, mainly on the weekends and also maybe early in the morning because I work based on UK time. So I get enough time in the morning where I can go out and explore. So that's something which made me come to Bali. So while I was doing my research online, now since being a digital nomad, one thing which is very important is to have a good internet. And I mean, although like I'm traveling and I'm working, but I do have to work. And for that, I need good Wi-Fi. I need a base for myself. So I was doing my research online to find a good co-working or a co-living space here in Bali. And that's when I came across Bali Bustle. I checked out the reviews and the reviews looked pretty good. So that made me decide to come to this place. So my favorite thing about Bali is that it is very close to a beach. Like there is literally a beach everywhere where you go. Like you just have to drive for an hour or maybe like 40 minutes and you will find yourself at some or the other beach. And also other than beach, it has got very different landscapes. Like you can go for a hiking, like just 2 hours drive and you can go to Mount Batur, or just like 1 hour drive, you can go to Nusa Penida. So there are very different landscapes located very nearby, which is pretty much accessible. So that's something I like about Bali. Also the culture, now I'm coming from India and I see a lot of Hindu temples over here. So the culture is pretty much in sync with what I have been born and brought up in. So that is something I really like about Bali. And also like you can get really good Indian food over here. And I miss Indian food being outside. So I don't miss it anymore. And the good thing about Bali Bustle is like you get to, like socialize with a lot of people from different backgrounds. You get to learn about their skills, and also like it's more of like a community. So even if you want to plan something out, like you want to go for a hiking or you want to drive around, you can just quickly post into the group and maybe you will find somebody to hang out with. So I really like the community angle of being here at Bali Bustle. And also another thing is that the location of Bali Bustle, like it is located right near Kuta, which is in the center of Bali. So you can actually drive around in multiple directions and explore your favorite places. Everything is like very equidistant. So that is pretty good about Bali Bustle. So tips for people who want to become a digital nomad. The first one would be like be organized. Like when you are traveling and you are working, one thing which is very important is to be organized. You should have all your things organized in proper folders. You should have proper bookmarks so that whenever you are opening your laptop, you don't really have to hassle finding the things and you have it like easily available, which makes it easier to work when you are traveling. And also like the second thing is like always look for a place which can get you like good internet, because being a digital nomad, you need internet and you need to take care of it by yourself. My usual day at Bali Bustle is pretty much the normal, like although like people think that I'm traveling and I'm living a luxurious life, but that's not the thing. Like I get up early in the morning, sometimes if I feel like I go to a beach and come back, get ready, then do my daily routine work, which is my office. Like I work in digital marketing. By the time it's evening, it's already sunset. So yeah, I mean I go out, have my dinner and then come back. But on weekends it's totally different, because weekend is the time when I can actually go out and explore because I don't have my office work. So I can go. I recently visited Mount Batur, which was pretty fun. I also went to Uluwatu temple. I saw a fire dance over there, which was pretty cultural, but that is something I could relate to myself because I know the story which they were depicting in the play. So yeah, I mean that's how my daily usual normal day looks like.